Setting up a customer portal. Acumatica's pre-configured customer portal allows you to reduce support costs while improving customer responsiveness. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to create a pre-configured portal that comes inside the Acumatica Customer Management Suite. To set up the portal, we first need an existing site with an existing database. When we create the portal site will get created that we can then manage the content and security permissions on. The portal site links to the same Acumatica database, making it seamless in terms of displaying information and real-time database updates. This is the site where we'll be deploying the portal. Notice that it's deployed on my local computer and it's called Acumatica Demo. To deploy the portal, we open the Acumatica ERP configuration wizard and click the option to deploy a new application instance. To connect to the existing database where a site exists, and I enter the database name and connect to the existing database, in this case Acumatica Demo. Then I simply click Next. On the company setup, I don't need to do anything because I'm going to create a new portal. I'll still use Windows authentication until I get to this screen where I'm actually going to click the option to create the portal. In this case, I'm going to also name my portal, my URL that I'll be using to access my portal, and I'll just call it a portal for this case. Once that's done, I don't have to make any changes in the website configuration. I verify my configuration settings and hit Finish. Acumatica immediately starts producing my portal and configuring it for me. As soon as the portal has been installed, I can now go in to begin configuring my portal. After my portal has been created, I'll go verify that things are all up and running. As you can see, the portal is up and running, and now I'm ready to go begin configuring my portal as well as creating users for it. To do that, I'll go back to my administrative access for my main website. When I log in, one of the first things I need to be aware of for my portal is the new user security roles that have been created. In this particular case, I have a portal user role. I also need to make sure that I have a special user type for external users. And you can see that these external users, by default, I'm going to give them these three different roles. Now that I've configured my user roles, let me take a quick look at the layout of my customer portal. Within the system customization screen, I have my normal site map as well as my portal map. The default portal map contains various features, including the ability to view statements and documents, create support tickets, and take a look at changing things in the company account. So within this, I can even go add more things. For example, in the documentation section, I can go add another wiki to my standard documentation that appears. So if I want to add my Getting Started guide, for example, I can go add a new wiki article for that. I also have the ability to change what the home page looks like when I fire up my portal. To do that, I can go into my wiki map area. So if I go into Configuration Document Management, I can navigate to the website article and take a look at what it looks like in my portal. From here, if I wanted to make changes, I could simply go in here and add text or whatever I would want to do. Now that I've got my portal set up and managed the way I want it to be, I'm going to go in and create users. Creating users for the portal is simple. I simply go to the customer screen and choose a customer. In this case, I'll choose the USA Bartending School. Navigate to Contacts and pick a contact that I'd like to give access to. The User Info tab is where I can create this. So I'll create an unrestricted user. I'll assign a username and I'll assign a password. By default, all my permissions are set up correctly. I'll hit Save and Close, and now Sam Malone should have access to my customer portal. To verify, go back to my portal, enter Sam Malone's security credentials, and log in. As you can see, I've got access to my new home page that I just created, Well, I have access to documents that have been created on behalf of my account. I have the ability to go create support tickets, and I can view documentation that I set up in my wiki articles. So that's a quick explanation of how to get started using the Acumatica portal. Thanks for watching, and if you need more information about Acumatica, feel free to visit our website. Thank you.